welcome back to another video. I want to start off with thanking all of my subscribers and people who've watched and liked the videos. We just hit 500 subscribers and I never thought we'd reach that number. So I just want to say thank you for all those people. Secondly, what I want to do is start a brand new series. I want to start a series that takes a look at Google Earth and applying it to outdoor activities. The main thing you need to remember when using Google Earth when planning outdoor activities is that Google Earth can be a little misleading at times, especially when it comes to size of terrain features and distances. So let's take a look at this example. Right here we have a boat ramp and an island that we're going to kayak to. And here at Google Earth, that doesn't look very far. But to help out, you can use this ruler. When I click on the ruler, I can do several functions. In this case, I'm going to draw a line. So from the boat ramp to the island is approximately 400 meters. So a quarter of a mile, give or take. Now, let's take a look at what this area and what that distance looks like in real life. All right, so here we are at the Algonquian boat ramp. Out there you will see the island that I pointed to in Google Earth. And as you can tell from this point of view, it looks a lot further away than it did on Google Earth. Now we are going to kayak out there. On the way out there, even though this water looks really still, it'll be downstream. And I want to time how long it takes. And on the way back, we'll be swimming or kayaking upstream, and we'll see how long that takes. All right, so a couple of hours and a couple adult beverages later, and we're headed back. This time, going upstream. Let's see how long it takes. All right, so just got back. That took about 8 minutes and 45 seconds. Average heart rate 123, max heart rate 149. So basically twice the effort at least to get here. So as you can see, things in Google Earth appear a lot easier than they are in real life. And the ruler is one of those things that can help you plan an outdoor activity, especially when distances are involved. From here on out, I'm going to take a look at different types of outdoor activities, whether it be hiking or camping or gardening, and showing different ways that you can use Google Earth to help plan those activities. Thanks for watching, and map your world.